Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Onix Graphite Z5. Onix is a trusted name in the pickleball world, and the Graphite Z5 stands out as one of their most popular paddles. Designed with a graphite face and a wide surface area, the Z5 delivers exceptional control and a generous sweet spot, making it ideal for beginners learning to handle fast-paced gameplay. Weighing 8.2 ounces, the Z5 offers a versatile option for players who haven't yet found their preferred paddle weight. The handle features a comfortable, grippy design similar to a tennis racket, giving your hand cushioning and support during long rallies. This padded comfort helps reduce fatigue and allows you to maintain power through every shot. During hands-on testing, we noticed how well balanced the Graphite Z5 felt. Its Onix honeycomb core makes it easy to generate strong, precise returns without straining your wrist or forearm. Additionally, a protective lining around the edge shields the paddle from accidental drops, preventing chipping or cracks and enhancing durability. Priced just under $100, the Graphite Z5 combines the performance of a premium graphite paddle with excellent value. Whether you're starting out or advancing to competitive tournament play, this paddle can grow with your skills and help you feel confident on the court. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 8.3 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Take your game to the next level with the Onix Graphite Z5, a paddle that balances comfort, control, and power for players of all levels. Number 2. Head Radical Elite. Fiberglass paddles are known for offering excellent control, though they generally don't deliver the same raw power as graphite options. The advantage of choosing fiberglass, however, is that these paddles are often more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. The Head Radical Elite stands out as our top fiberglass paddle thanks to its lightweight design, durable construction, and well-balanced performance. This paddle excels during long rallies where precision and accuracy are key. Its composite hitting surface softens impact, giving players a comfortable, responsive feel while maintaining excellent ball control on every return. Available in bright orange or yellow, the Radical Elite is visually striking and easy to spot on the court. During hands-on testing, we were impressed with how much value this paddle provides at its affordable price of around $70. The extended grip length is a welcome feature, allowing for two-handed backhands and added versatility for players experimenting with different strokes. While this paddle allows competitive play similar to higher-end options like the Onix Z5, players who prioritize power may eventually want to upgrade. For beginners or those focusing on accuracy, control, and consistency, the Radical Elite is a standout choice that won't break the bank. Its combination of comfort, lightweight handling, and solid construction makes it ideal for anyone looking to improve their game with a dependable paddle. Specifications: weight, 8.1 ounces. Dimensions, 9 by 16 inches. Grip circumference, 4.16 inches. The Head Radical Elite fiberglass paddle delivers precision, comfort, and unbeatable value for new and intermediate players alike. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SX4 Starter Pack. If you're looking for a convenient, ready-to-play pickleball set for doubles or a casual game with a friend, the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack is an excellent choice. Designed by one of the leading brands in pickleball, this set includes everything you need to get started: 2 high-quality paddles, for durable balls, and a convenient carrying bag for easy transport. The SX4 paddles are anything but basic. Each paddle features a polymer honeycomb core that helps absorb impact, making every shot smoother and more comfortable for your wrist and arm. The innovative G4 Control graphic surface with SpinFlex gives beginners an edge in controlling ball placement. The textured surface allows for improved spin and accuracy, helping new players feel confident during rallies. Comfort is another highlight of the SX4 paddles. Cushioned grips reduce strain and absorb sweat, ensuring your hands stay secure and preventing accidental slips during fast-paced games. At just 7.5 ounces, these paddles are lightweight enough for nearly all players, making them easy to handle even during long matches. Whether you're just starting out or playing casually with a partner, the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack provides a complete, high-value package that combines comfort, control, and quality. With everything included in one set, it's a perfect way to enjoy pickleball without needing to buy paddles and balls separately. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Take the first step toward fun, competitive, and stress-free pickleball games with the Selkirk SX4 Starter Pack. Number 4. JOOLA Essentials Paddle. Austin, Texas-based Recess has built a reputation for creating stylish and functional pickleball gear, and the Vista Pickleball Paddle is one of their standout models. Known for its wide variety of colorways, the Vista offers nearly 40 options, ranging from classic designs to limited edition patterns, allowing players to showcase their personality on the court. Beyond style, the Vista paddle is designed for performance. Its sanded texture surface provides excellent spin control, helping players place shots accurately during rallies. The honeycomb core delivers a balanced level of power, making it easy for beginners and intermediate players to develop their game without compromising comfort. Each paddle also includes a protective edge guard to prevent chips and cracks, ensuring long-lasting durability. For added convenience and style, the Vista comes with a logoed canvas cover, perfect for transporting your paddle safely to and from the court. Weighing just 7.5 ounces, the paddle is lightweight enough for comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during long sessions while still providing enough heft for precise shots. The grip circumference of 4.25 inches feels secure in your hand, offering a comfortable hold that suits a wide range of players. Whether you're new to pickleball or looking to upgrade to a paddle that combines style and functionality, the Recess Vista is a top choice. Its mix of eye-catching designs, practical features, and beginner-friendly performance makes learning and enjoying the game easier and more fun. Specifications: weight, 7.5 ounces. Dimensions, 7.8 by 15.67 inches. Grip circumference, 4.25 inches. Number 5. Rokne Curve Classic. JOOLA is a trusted name in pickleball, and the Essentials paddle is an excellent choice for players just starting out. While it isn't the brand's most advanced model, it provides the ideal combination of comfort, control, and durability for entry-level players who aspire to reach higher levels. With a large sweet spot and soft-touch surface, this paddle makes it easier to perfect your shots and build confidence on the court. The paddle's perforated grip is thoughtfully designed to increase breathability, keeping your hand comfortable and secure during long rallies. This ensures the paddle stays firmly in place, giving you precise control over each swing. Designed in collaboration with professional pickleball player Ben Johns of the Professional Pickleball Association, PPA, the Essentials paddle brings professional insight to beginners, helping them learn proper technique while developing their skills. While the Essentials is perfect for newcomers, it also serves as a stepping stone for future upgrades. Many players naturally progress to the JOOLA Ben Johns CFS tournament model as their skills improve, making the Essentials a practical and long-lasting choice. Weighing 8.2 ounces, the paddle is balanced and easy to maneuver, allowing for controlled, accurate shots without causing fatigue. Its dimensions and grip circumference make it comfortable for a wide range of players. Specifications: weight, 8.2 ounces. Dimensions, 7.9 by 15.5 inches. Grip circumference, 4 inches. For beginners looking to improve quickly and play with confidence, the JOOLA Essentials paddle offers quality, comfort, and pro-inspired design all in one package.